and Bayer. Okay. Next is go on in the Howard. Howard is the one of the scientists. He got the Nobel Prize winner and co-worker. Co-worker is introduced in the pyran. Pyran is come and 5 carbon atoms and oxygen atom. 5 carbon atom and oxygen atoms and pyran structure. And this is the pyran structure. Co-worker. Who co-worker? Howard. Howard is the one of the Nobel Prize winner. He is the co-worker introduced in the pyran. 5 carbon atom, 1 oxygen atom. Okay, 1 carbon atom, 1 carbon atom, 2 carbon atom, 3 carbon atom, 4 carbon atom, 5 carbon atom, 5 carbon atoms and oxygen. Okay, this one CH2 OH H, and this is the opposite is come HO, and this is the opposite is H HO, and this is opposite is H and OH, and this is opposite is come H and OH, and this is HOH. This is what you call alpha D plus glucopyranose. Alpha D plus and glucopyranose. Pyranose you already know, and 5 carbon atom, 1 oxygen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. This is called that in the pyran and glucose pyranose structure. Position, where are you started? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 6 positions. I can say this one first position, second position and third position and fourth positions and fifth positions and sixth positions. This is what you call alpha D plus glucopyranose. Next is go on in the beta. Small is changes here, and this one CH2OH H, and this is opposite is come HO, and this is opposite is HOH, and this is opposite is the OH and H. And here is changes HOH. Here is gone in the bottom side and OH and H. OH, and this position is gone in the and OH H. And alpha here OH is gone in the bottom layer, OH is gone in the top layer. This is what you call and beta D plus glucopyranose. The small changes here and beta D plus glucopyranose. Alpha is gone in the bottom layer in the OH, and beta is gone in the and top layer is gone. That's a small difference. Alpha D plus glucopyranose, and this is what you call beta D plus glucopyranose. Next is gone in the fructose. And this is you already know position. This is the 1 position, okay, and this is the 2 position, and this is the 3 position, and this is the 4 position, this is the 5 position, and this is the 6 position. That's all, okay. Alpha D plus glucopyranose. Next is go on in the beta glucopyranose. Next is go on in the fructose. Fructose. And fructose furan. Furan is come 4 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atoms. Here observe that, and this is the fructose structure, okay, fructose structure, and this is the 1 carbon atoms, 2 carbon atom, 3 carbon atom, 4 carbon atoms, okay, 4 carbon atoms, 1 oxygen atoms. Here HOH2C H, this is the opposite is OH H, and this is the opposite is HO, and this one is come CH2 OH and OH. That's all, okay. Again say this one HOH2C H, this is the opposite is OH H, and opposite H and HO, and CH2OH and OH. This is what you call alpha D minus. Alpha D minus is the fructofuranose. The furanose you already know, and 4 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atoms, and this is what you call alpha D minus is the fructofuranose. There is one that in the position position is very very important, and this is the second position and third positions, and this is the fourth position, and this is the fifth position, and this is the sixth position. That's all. Okay, this is what you call alpha D fructose. Next is go on with the beta. Small changes. This is okay. Same method. Alpha HOH2C H. Okay. Then opposite is the OH and H. This is opposite HO. Then small changes OH and CH2OH. Here observe that, and beta is small changes, and alpha, this is the CH2OH is gone in the top layer and OH is go to the bottom layer. Here OH is gone in the top layer, CH2OH is gone in the bottom layer. This is what you call and the beta D minus fructose. Position started. Where are we started? Position. Here started 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. And this is the 4. And this is the 5. And this is the 6. Again say position started in the CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here position started in the alpha 1. Where is that in the CH2OH? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same position started in the 1. CH2OH where? This is 1. CH2OH where? 1. CH2OH. Okay. Position where are you started from? CH2OH. First position. Okay. CH2OH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. Alpha you already you know. Alpha D fructose and beta D minus fructose. Then is go on. Sucrose. Sucrose, this is very very important for annual examination, board examination. Sucrose you already know what is in previous class, and this is the alpha D plus glucose. What is the composition? Alpha D plus glucose. Then beta D minus is the fructose. The sucrose, the molecular formula you already know, composition alpha D plus glucose. Then is what that is the beta D minus is fructose. First is go on the alpha D plus glucose. This one CH2OH H opposite H HO, and this one opposite H OH. Then after that H OH. And alpha, you already know, bottom layer is come HOH. Here observe that where is started in the position 1. Here this is the 2, and this is the 3, and this is the 4, and this is the 5, and this is the 6. This is the alpha D plus glucose. This is the alpha D plus glucose. Then let's go on with the beta D fructose. Okay, beta D fructose. HOH2C H, then after that HO H, then HOH, then is one in the and opposite you already know beta OH CH2OH here. Okay, and this one you already know sucrose is hydrolysis form, and removal of H2O 1 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen. H2O is removed. Here H2O is removed. 1 hydrogen, H2O is removed, and the small changes here. Observe that position here started 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. Okay, and this is the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And removal of H2O attached and removal of H2O. H2O is hydrolysis form, and observe that. This is what bond formation. Okay, this is the C1 position. Okay, this is one C2 position, and the C1. This is the C1 position. This is the C2 position, and the C1 and C2 is the linkage. Okay, the board exam, what do you call C1 and C2 is the glycosidic liquid. Board exam, what do you call, and C1 and C2 glycosidic liquid or C1 and C2 is the liquid formation. This is the sucrose structure. It is very important for annual examination, and this is, you already know, this is the alpha D plus glucose and this one is the beta D fructose. Okay, understood, I hope full. Then is born in the maltose. The maltose is observed, it is found in the grains, that is the grains and pulses, that is the found. What is the composition? The maltose, alpha D plus glucose. Composition, alpha D plus glucose plus alpha D plus glucose. This is the alpha D plus glucose and this is the alpha T plus glucose. And maltose, what is the composition? Alpha T plus. Sucrose, alpha T plus glucose and beta D minus is fructose. And maltose, and same method, CH2OH, H. Then after that, this is the opposite H, HO, and this is opposite HOH. And then this is opposite OH, H and OH. This is what you call alpha T plus glucopyranose. You already know. And this is the alpha T plus. Then another one and alpha T plus glucose here. This is the alpha T plus glucose. This is the alpha T plus glucose. Okay. And this one CH2OH opposite H. And this is the OH is opposite is the HO and this is the opposite HOH and this is the opposite OH, H and HOH. This is also alpha D plus glucose, this is alpha D plus glucose. It is the attached, the bond formation and linkage is come and this is one hydrogen is removed and hydrogen is removed, oxygen removed, H2O is removed. Simply say hydrolysis formed and one, this is the oxygen formation. This is come and one hydrogen is removed, OH is removed. This is oxygen. Okay, and this one, what is that? And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. This is the position here. This is the one position, second position, third position, and fourth position. This is C4 position. Okay, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the one position, second position, third position, and fourth position, and fifth position, and sixth position. This one, what do you call? C1. C1 and C4 is the linkage or glycosidic linkage. Glycosidic linkage. C1 and C4 is the glycosidic linkage. This is very important. And maltose and first HOH is come CH2OH H and this is opposite H HO and this is opposite H and OH. This is opposite OH H HOH here and CH2OH HOH and OH and opposite is come OH H HOH and the bond formation removal of H2O. The maltose is where I observe that grains and pulses. Today is the open chain structure of glucose and introduced by Bayer. It is very important. Open chain structure you already know about it. And the glucose is C6H12O6. Fructose also C6H12O6. Glucose is where is the found is sugar or sugarcane. The fructose is where you observe that it is found in fruits and honey. And this is the open chain structure. Then is gone in the Nobel Prize winner Howard. He is the co-worker, is introduced in the and pyran structure, the 5 carbon atoms, 1 oxygen atoms, you already know about it. And sucrose, what is the composition? Sucrose is there and alpha D plus glucose and beta D fructose. Then is gone the maltose. Maltose is what is the composition? Alpha D plus glucose and plus alpha D plus glucose. This is the alpha D plus glucose and this is the alpha D plus glucose. I hope this one is the understood my video. Thank you for watching for the video. Thank you.